Welcome back to your personal wellness channel, where we provide you with tips and solutions for your overall health and well-being. Here are 10 signs that you are ready to transform your relationship with food, using the power of neuro-linguistic programming. And make sure to visit the link in the description below, in order to receive your free audio that will help you to lose weight, using the power of NLP. Alright, let's dive into today's topic. Number 1. Overcoming emotional eating. If you find yourself turning to food as a source of comfort, or coping mechanism for emotional challenges, it may be a sign that you're ready to transform your relationship with food. Emotional eating can often be a barrier to weight loss and overall well-being. Recognizing this pattern, and feeling a strong desire to break free from it, signifies your readiness for positive change. Neuro-linguistic programming audios can help you address the underlying emotions, and rewire your mindset around food, empowering you to make healthier choices, and find alternative ways to manage your emotions. Number 2. Letting go of food guilt. Constantly feeling guilty or ashamed after eating certain foods can create a negative and unhealthy relationship with food. If you are yearning to release this guilt and develop a more balanced and positive mindset towards eating, it's a clear sign that you're ready to transform your relationship with food. NLP audios can assist you in reframing your thoughts and beliefs about food, allowing you to let go of guilt and embrace a healthier and more compassionate approach to nourishing your body. Number 3. Breaking free from restrictive dieting. Are you tired of restrictive diets that leave you feeling deprived and unsatisfied? If you're eager to break free from the dieting cycle and adopt a more sustainable and intuitive approach to eating, then you're ready for a transformation. Neuro-linguistic programming audios can support you in cultivating a healthier mindset around food, helping you listen to your body's cues and make choices that nourish you physically and emotionally. By letting go of restrictive dieting and embracing a more balanced approach, you can find freedom and joy in your relationship with food. Number 4. Recognizing triggers and patterns. Becoming aware of the triggers and patterns that lead to unhealthy eating habits is a significant step toward transforming your relationship with food. If you find yourself noticing the situations, emotions, or environments that contribute to mindless or emotional eating, it demonstrates your readiness to make positive changes. NLP audios can enhance your self-awareness, enabling you to identify and address these triggers, reprogram your responses, and create new, healthier habits around food. Number 5. Desire for mindful eating. Do you long to cultivate a practice of mindful eating, where you savor and appreciate each bite, fully present in the moment? If you're seeking a more conscious and mindful approach to eating, it signifies your readiness for transformation. Neuro-linguistic programming audios can guide you in developing mindfulness techniques that help you slow down, tune into your body's signals of hunger and fullness, and truly enjoy the experience of eating. By embracing mindful eating, you can build a healthier relationship with food, and make choices that align with your well-being. Number 6. Addressing emotional triggers. If you find that emotions play a significant role in your relationship with food, such as using food to numb or distract yourself from uncomfortable feelings, it's a clear indication that you're ready to transform this dynamic. NLP audios can empower you to identify and address emotional triggers, develop healthier coping mechanisms, and build emotional resilience. By rewiring your brain and creating new associations, you can break free from emotional eating patterns and establish a more balanced and nourishing relationship with food. Number 7. Releasing self-critical thoughts. Harboring self-critical thoughts and negative self-talk can sabotage your progress and hinder your relationship with food. If you're yearning to let go of self-judgment and cultivate self-compassion, it shows that you're ready for a transformation. Neuro-Linguistic Programming audios can help you reframe negative self-talk, build self-esteem, and develop a more positive and supportive inner dialogue. By shifting your mindset and embracing self-acceptance, you can foster a healthier relationship with food and with yourself. Number 8. Developing intuitive eating skills. Do you aspire to reconnect with your body's natural wisdom and develop intuitive eating skills? If you're seeking a more intuitive approach to nourishing your body, it's a sign of readiness for positive change. NLP audios can guide you in enhancing your intuition, allowing you to listen to your body's signals of hunger, fullness, and satisfaction. By honing your intuitive eating skills, you can make food choices that truly nourish you and maintain a healthy balance. Number 9. Embracing food as fuel and nourishment. Shifting your perspective on food, from seeing it as a source of guilt or indulgence, to recognizing it as fuel and nourishment is a transformative step. If you're eager to embrace this mindset and prioritize nourishing your body, it demonstrates your readiness for positive change. Neuro-linguistic programming audios can assist you in rewiring your beliefs and associations around food, empowering you to view it as a source of energy, vitality, and overall well-being. By adopting this new perspective, you can make choices that support your health and weight loss goals. Number 10. Seeking long-term transformation. If you're seeking long-term transformation, rather than quick fixes or temporary results, it indicates your readiness to embark on a profound journey. NLP audios can support you in creating lasting change by rewiring your subconscious mind, building empowering beliefs, and fostering a positive relationship with food. By focusing on sustainable transformation, rather than immediate outcomes, you can lay the foundation for a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. By recognizing these signs and incorporating neuro-linguistic programming audios into your weight loss journey, you can empower your mind, transform your relationship with food, and achieve lasting positive change. Please don't forget to visit the link in the description below to receive your free audio that will help you to lose weight using the power of NLP. And if you found this video valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out some of these other videos from your personal wellness channel.